Welcome to Sanford Built and Reviewed DIY. This is a YouTube channel that my son and I started to help you guys out with home improvement, tips, tricks, ideas. We're going to do some DIY projects. We're going to be helping you out with anything around the house, from simple cord management type videos all the way up to where we're doing routing, dovetails, guitar projects, things that may be a little bit above your head, but you got to start somewhere. My son and I decided to start this channel so he could learn video editing, lighting, all that stuff, and I wanted to be involved in showing you guys stuff that I've learned in my over 25 years as a carpenter, finish carpenter, a cabinet shop owner, doing over 30 episodes of TV as a carpenter, and I'm going to bring all of the little tips and tricks and techniques that we have used to you. So please subscribe, hit that little bell icon, and like our videos. Thank you.